The Colosseum was not just a giant arena, it was a machine. Under the wooden floor was a hidden underground world called the Hypogeum, a maze of tunnels, cages, ramps, and chambers where gladiators, animals, workers, and stage equipment waited in darkness. To the crowd above, a lion might seem to appear from nowhere, but below, teams of slaves and engineers were using lifts, ropes, pulleys, and trapdoors to raise animals and scenery straight into the arena. The floor itself was covered with sand, not for decoration, but to soak up blood and give fighters traction. That is where the word arena comes from. The Colosseum also worked like a modern stadium. Entered through numbered arches, moved through corridors and stairways, and found seats based on social rank. The emperor and elite sat closest. Ordinary citizens were higher up. Women and the poorest were usually near the top. Above them, sailors helped control a huge fabric awning called the Velarium, which shaded the crowd from the Roman sun. There were drains for water, backstage routes for performers, and a full system for crowd control. So the real secret of the Colosseum is this: it was not just a place to watch violence, it was ancient Rome's most advanced entertainment machine.